Coming up in this video, I show you how to do this gorgeous chunky braid out on your type 4 natural hair. It's really quite easy to do. It doesn't take a long time, and it really gives you a professional look. If you are going to the office, if you're going to church or wherever, it's a gorgeous hairstyle to wear. So let's get into today's video. Well, the first thing is that I install these braids directly after my wash day, and it is 9 braids that I sort of parted equally, and my hair was moisturized with my Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner, which I've showed you on this channel. I have reviewed it on this channel if you want to have a look. It's really quite good and moisturizing. My hair is high porosity, so it does lose the moisture as soon as it goes in, but I do find that this is a nice moisturizer to use on my type 1 natural hair. I also seal that in with some castor oil and some Vaseline. So that's just the 3 products that's on my hair, and you're always going to do a braid out. So I braided my hair for the braid out. That is to say that I braided my hair quite tight together in order to get extra defined curls. I recommend, if you are going to be doing a braid out, for you to do it on wet hair, or certainly on hair that is very, very damp. Once again, because I knew this was going to be worn as a braid out, I did go ahead and put some gel, my lock and twist gel, which I've also reviewed on this channel, so look out for that video, on my edges just to slick it down so that my edges would look sort of uniformed with this style. Just want to say thank you so much for checking out my channel, watching my videos. Do go ahead and subscribe if you've not done so. It really will mean a lot to me. And give this video a like and leave me some comments below. Where would you wear this hairstyle? I certainly just, I would wear this to the office or to church or anywhere really, because it's such a versatile style, is a braid out. I particularly like chunky braid outs because it makes my hair look extra full. And as you know, my hair is low density. That means I don't have a lot of individual strands of hair on my head. The surface area where my hair covers is not a lot. I've talked about that on my channel, so I do try to find ways and means of making my hair look fuller when I can, and a chunky braid out is a great way to do that. I have taken the opportunity over the last year to really trim my hair, trim off all the dead ends and all of that off my hair just to bring some health back. And I can really see the benefits, when you're doing styles like this, when your hair is just, the ends are nice and it's looking nice. You see the benefits that cutting your hair, sometimes trimming off the damage really, really does help. And so I'm glad I've got those cuts out the way. And now we're going to be growing our hair in 2022 and doing more styles like this because our hair is nice and healthy. We can do lots of styles like this to show it off, because that's the reason why we're growing our hair out, to show off styles like this. So when it comes on to fluffing your braid out, you will see that I do not fluff all the way to the end. I fluff just before I get to the end and then I stop. That's because if I fluffed all the way to the end, I might end up with lots of frizz and we want to avoid the frizz. So try not to fluff all the way to the ends. Also, for my braids, I did do a bantu knot at the end to ensure that I would get curl at the end. So it's really a braid and curl. So that is it for today's video. I do hope you've enjoyed this braid out. It looks really gorgeous on my hair. I'm so pleased with it. And do check out my other videos. Do go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So much videos on here on how to take care of your natural hair, for us to grow our natural hair long, healthy and strong. And I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day.